Hi everybody, Mike here, also known as Wolffield Diver. Thanks for watching. It's been 8 months since the last time we were here. This is my friend Perry. Say hi, Perry.
Hello.
Last time you said, what the hey?
What the hey? Got the hay.
We're back at the Salt. We're back at the Salt River Canyon, the Little Grand Canyon, where we lost the drone. We lost the drone, slammed into the canyon wall 8 months ago. And if you see this link above my head here, you can click on that and watch the video from last time and see the adventure, how stupid I was. And we're gonna try to go and do a search and see if we can locate the debris. And if we find it, then we'll work on a recovery. So stay tuned, check it out. We got a grapple system. We got a couple of Sherpas here. But first we gotta find the thing. Last time, we recovered the broken off camera and the ejected battery, but the drone is down there somewhere and we want to try to find the memory card. That's the main mission here, is to get the memory card. So watch out for the prickly pears, man.
Yeah, you brush by them, you're gonna feel it.
I
I think you want to find it in a crevice so you can try your new grappling hook.
No, I don't want to try my grappling hook. Maybe
You could twist it anyway.
maybe it could twist in. Maybe it just auto-rotated enough and went over the edge, you know? Yeah.
Actually, these binoculars are working pretty good for the ground.
Are they?
There, but shading you?
I know, but I'm just watching the drone and seeing how it's flying, because the wind's real. Yeah, it's just real turbulent right there.
It's a long shot. Well, as long as you're there.
Well, let's look at the cliff above while we're flying.
As long as you're there, you're right here by
Whoa.
the crevice.
This thing is blowing around, look.
You don't look like crosswind down there.
Yeah, the wind's coming across us and going down and swirling around. See that?
Yep.
This is what I'm worried about.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
This could be dangerous, dude.
Well, the good news is we're not on board.
Here again. So what's going on is we flew 2 flights down here off of the crash site area, and right below where the data showed where it crashed is a drop off a cliff. We can't see any obvious drone anywhere. Can't see the Phantom. There is one possible, looks like it might be part of the drone, right in the correct area. It's right on the edge of the cliff. It's on the side of the cliff on a bush, in between the 2 great trees, and then there's a ledge. So we may, if the wind is moderate, may fly one last little flight and take a look at just that one spot. I got to make an assessment of what the wind's like here. It's gusting and it's turbulent up here on the top, and it really scares me because the drone was bucking and rocking and rolling. So I'm gonna get ready for a flight and decide at the last minute, and then watch how the leaves and the trees are moving down here along the cliff before I decide. But we might get in the air and do one quick survey.